visible. Yeah, so good morning.
Good morning to you. First of all, have a great opportunity to talk with you. I'm very grateful. You are so looking gorgeous, beautiful. That's like wow. From where are you?
Yeah, I'm from Chhattisgarh. So actually, we are meeting for the first time. So please introduce yourself, and then we start our conversation.
Okay. First of all, I am Satya Yadav from Aurangabad, Bihar. And as far as my qualification is concerned, I did graduation. Right now, I am doing master in English. I am a teacher. I teach English offline classes in my district. I like watching movies in free time, and I want to be also a YouTuber because I'm trying now. I have not started it.
Okay, it's based on conversation video, and what type video you want to put on your channel.
If I will start, I will upload English grammatical videos because I teach 11th, 12th, and competitive uh, students. So I will start.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, so who suggested in your side, and anyone suggested you start the YouTube channel?
Every day, my students tell me, "Sir, you should start channel because we are facing a lot of problems uh, in grammar. If we will start, then when I will miss the class, I will uh, watch your video. So I think I should
Okay.
start."
Okay, yeah, that's good. So you are the first video call?
No, yesterday I talked with two people, and I today I am talking with you.
Okay, yeah, that's good. So who suggested in this app?
What?
I say who suggested in this application?
Oh, my friend told me about this application, so I installed it.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, so you love to know, I mean to say you love to watch. Hello,
From where are you? I forget.
I'm from Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh. Oh, good. Chhattisgarh, which state? Chhattisgarh is capital, na?
Chhattisgarh, capital of Raipur.
Raipur, yeah. Good. So, you
So
like
you
cooking?
are, yes, obviously I like cooking. So you visited any places in Chhattisgarh?
Hmm. No, I have not visited there, but because I have no any friend in Chhattisgarh. But if I'll get opportunity, I'll surely come there.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. So how many places you are visited?
I think approximately I have visited in 12 states in India.
Okay, so how was your journey and where you visited? First, it's
Hmm.
you are visited like 12 state. Okay, so how was your
Hmm.
like especially for memory? What memory you have any more memorable days? So please you share.
Okay, of course, why not? I had a good memory when I went to Maharashtra. You know, Maharashtra is near to Mumbai. So I went there for exam purpose. I had to appear at the exam of Air Force, and I think Maharashtra is the very cleanest city. I think in India, and I would like to go again because people are also very supportive. And except Bihar and Jharkhand, whatever places I visited, the people are very honest. And I'm not saying Bihar and Jharkhand. I also living in Bihar. But I think the people are more, you can say, supportive than uh, Bihar and Jharkhand in another place. I like
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So
Mumbai.
in
Uh,
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And another place?
Have you visited in Bihar anywhere?
No,
Hmm?
I haven't.
Never. Oh.
So
Do you
in
know about Patna?
Bihar, a little bit I know, but I never visited in Bihar in your state. Yeah, but in
Except
our
Chhattisgarh,
state, what?
except Chhattisgarh, where you have visited?
Okay, yeah, I have visited Odisha and South Indian I covered, and Rajasthan also I covered. So two, three places I visited. I'm not, I'm not interested to go for travel because while I'm go for travel, so at that times I'm miss my family, and at that times I didn't enjoy a lot because I'm a family oriented girl. So that's the reason. And sometimes I go there. So 1 2 day it's enough for me because when I'm go for like it's a 5 days, 6 days. So at that times, I'm not enjoy my traveling because I don't know
Hmm.
why when I go there. So I'm feeling kind of I miss my family, and then it's a scary times. I don't know why that kind of things in my mind. So that's the reason I don't. It literally, small is more like 2 3 days, so it's enough for me. Whenever I go for it's a uh, like 5 6 days. So at that times I didn't enjoy a lot because
Oh.
I love to stay with my family. I love to I stay with my city because I don't know what happened. I think yeah, I'm not like explore new things. Types. I explore only for
Hmm.
restaurant in my city, and I love to go there and I eat delicious food also. And every in my city, so I visited the whole restaurant, and I know how it's like taste and also whenever my friends also ask me Lavanya how is it a place and how taste it's a restaurant. So also I give it's a I can say like instruction also. Yeah.
Hmm. Oh, good. You have restaurant?
No, no, no. I don't have any restaurant, but I love to go
Still,
restaurant and visit, especially for
can I
food.
got
I explore.
I got it. You told I have a business. So which type of business you are doing?
It's a salon, ladies salon. You heard about beauty
Knowledge.
parlor?
Yeah, of course. I have heard.
Yeah.
Oh.
So,
You
how
do
is your? Yeah, you ask
you work there?
what?
You run you run only salon. Yeah, you work also.
Yes, yes. I have also staff, 4 staff, and even why I started
Mhm.
because I'm very passionate about learning new things. So that's the reason. And
Mm.
yeah, so that and I enjoy my work also, and I enjoy my study also, and I explore new things also because I love to read and write also. So yeah, that kind of hobby I enjoy and make my day also busy studying types.
Okay,
And what about you?
I will I will surely visit in your salon with my wife. You know
Bye.
I'm married.
Oh, okay, yeah, man. So you have kids also?
No, I don't have
Hello.
kids. Uh, I am married recently. I think
Okay.
it has been 3 or 4 months.
Okay, so you are a newly couple. Congratulations. Belated congratulations.
Thank you. That's why I said to you I visit there.
Okay.
Can you give any
So
discount if I come there?
yeah, definitely, definitely. Definitely I give more discount. Yeah. So how's your wife? She's also
She
teacher
is good.
and she's a homemaker.
No, she is a teacher. She is preparing for BPSC exam, and
Mm-hmm.
BPSC exam.
No, I don't
Uh,
know.
we
Please explain me.
have this. She is
What?
preparing for BPSC state level exam, just like PCS.
Mm-hmm.
To a teacher, and
Yeah.
she teaches.
Okay. So she know Hindi. Sorry, she know English very well.
She knows very well English. She knows, and she is look like you. She is
Oh my
also
God.
very beautiful.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. So when we talk, you are I can say your wife. So we discuss only for Hindi and sometimes English language we use.
At home,
Yeah, at home. I'm asking at home.
we sometimes talk in English, but mostly we use Hindi because we live in village, and in village there are many members. Those are not able to understand, so it's our compulsion. We
Hmm.
have to talk as well as English also sometimes. Mm.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Yeah. So how many member in your family?
We are nuclear family. I have four members in my family: my parents, my wife, and my grandmother.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So tell me something new. So how's your marriage life and what you feel and you suggest? How's your experience on 3 months? So marriage is a good and what's your opinion? Please share. My viewer wants to know how's your experience in marriage. What changes
Oh,
you facing?
okay. I will not say much thing because when you will upload the video, my wife will also listen this, and after after this, the condition will be very bad. So I will say, if you get success after that, the marriage life will be very happy and it will good. But when you don't get success, we should not marry because I think love emotion is a part of life, but it is not a life. We should also necessary many things just like money, wealth, and these are also very essential for our life. So uh, I think earning money is much necessary.
Yeah, it's true.
Before marriage, is to settle. You can say very, very.
Yeah, it's true because without money, how is it possible survive your whole life? Because money matters, in marriage life also and single life also. So when we go outside, and so at that time you don't have money, so how can you buy it's a cloth also, and how to buy 8 minutes?
Hmm.
Are you? Yeah, so
Okay.
actually, I have urgent one, so we are discuss again and we meet also
Of
again.
course,
Okay, so wind up the session.
I'm feeling very glad with talk to you. If you will get time, then we can discuss. We can connect again for the session.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much connecting with me and sending a message. Take care and all the best.